Howdy, and welcome to MindBlowers. My name's Kevin Winterfield, your host, here to update you on cool, interesting, important, crazy things exploding from IBM. In this episode, reverse engineering the brain, putting preemies in the stream. Little teeny preemies on the stream. Watch out, preemies! Doctors playing video games, with 3D avatars, and viewer mail. First up, the brain computer! The brain weighs only about 3 pounds. 3 pounds! And it gets information from about 1 billion nerves. 1 billion nerves! I get nervous just thinking about it. Now think about this. Digital data just keeps on growing. It keeps on growing and growing and growing. The world needs a really, really, really big brain. Take a country's water system, for example. A smart water system will need to be instrumented, interconnected, and intelligent. You need billions of devices all over the place, creating a stream of raw data that flows at a dizzying rate. Making sense of all that data would be a Herculean task. But a cognitive computer acting as a global brain could splash together this complex puzzle and propose a logical response. IBM researchers are reverse engineering the brain to design a computer that can do exactly that. To the brain, managing that much data is a piece of cake. The team aims to rival the brain's low power consumption and small size by using nanoscale devices for synapses and neurons. In fact, the cognitive computing team recently demonstrated an almost real-time simulation of a small mammal brain. Using cognitive computing algorithms and the supercomputing power of IBM's Blue Gene. With this simulation, researchers can experiment with various mathematical hypotheses of brain function and structure, working towards uncovering the brain's core computational microcircuits. Mind-blowing! And now for some viewer mail. Hi. I just want to thank everyone for sending in a number of comments since the last episode on Influent. Concerned about my addiction potentially to caffeine and to sugar. I decided to get rid of the coffee addiction. Instead, I'm just going to have straight old brown sugar straight out of the box. And I've also joined a yoga studio where I'm finding it much easier to really calm down. Thank you again. But seriously, folks, if you have any projects or know of anything going on with IBM that blows your mind, let me know about it. And now, let's learn about how IBM is making premature babies smarter. Constantly monitoring preemies can help doctors prevent life-threatening conditions such as infection by detecting changes in the torrent of monitored data. Currently, physicians rely on a paper-based monitoring process that gives little or no advance warning. IBM and the University of Ontario Institute of Technology are working to change that and help doctors care for premature babies. The project uses stream computing software that takes a baby, puts it in a stream. Does it float? Yeah, if it doesn't, wait, wrong stream. We're talking about stream computing. Stream computing software developed by IBM Research that helps doctors interpret the massive data generated by electronic monitors. The software ingests a constant stream of biomedical data such as heart rate and respiration along with environmental data gathered from sensors and more traditional monitoring equipment around the baby like a thermometer. The software makes sense of data and helps doctors predict critical medical events on the fly. Collecting and making sense of tons of data is one part of an equation of making a smarter planet. Visualizing it is another. Medical record keeping is getting smarter by using 3D technology similar to those found in Second Life and video games. Medical Information Hub gives doctors a 3D model of the human body, providing them with a 3D avatar of each patient's records at a glance. Medical Information Hub helps doctors spot information indirectly related to current health problems but still relevant to the treatment, and the technology improves the doctor-patient dialogue by showing the relevant parts of the body on the avatar in an easy-to-understand manner. An internet search now, just for the word heart trouble, will show records that contain the words heart trouble. In a similar search using Medical Information Hub, the search words are placed in context, and the results include terms such as right ventricle, other things that deal with the heart, and ECG, things of that nature. Also, the results are shown graphically on the 3D avatar. And this means our doctors can work more efficiently and smarter, which improves patient care. Well, thank you for watching another episode of MindBlowers. Until next time, this is Kevin Winterfield wishing you a wonderfully spectacular, mind-blowing kind of day!